Until 2 months ago, Matina Shakya was a living goddess of Nepal. For 9 years, visitors thronged to offer prayers to her at her house in Kathmandu, known as Kumari Ghar. Her pictures made postcards and everyone wanted to catch a glimpse of her. But now at age 12, Matina has returned home to her parents.
हाम्रो छोरी चाहिँ 2065 देखि 2074 सम्म कुमारीको काम राष्ट्रिय अन्तर्राष्ट्रियमा पनि प्रख्यात भएको कुमारी जस्तो महत्त्वपूर्ण पदमा मेरो छोरी विराजमान भएपछि हामीलाई एकदम गौरवान्वित भएको थियो। कुमारी जस्तो छोरी हामीले पाएछौँ, त्यसैले हामी पनि पाइमान छ। संसारले हामीलाई पनि उहाँको माध्यमबाट हाम्रो पनि अर्को परिचय सृजना भएछ भने हामीले महसुस।
Kumaris are revered by Hindus and Buddhists. It's a tradition of worshipping young girls as manifestations of divine female energy until they reach the age of puberty.
राष्ट्र प्रमुखदेखि सबैले अब पूजा गर्दाखेरि उसै हामी पनि गौरव महसुस गर्छौँ। हैन उहाँलाई एकचोटि दर्शन गर्नको लागि हेर्नको लागि पनि संसारको कहाँदेखि आउँछन् हैन, त्यसो गर्दाखेरि एकदम गर्व चाहिँ हामीले महसुस गरेका छौँ।
Her family used to visit her every day in the Kumari's house, but it wasn't always easy for them.
त्यो हामीले लगिराखेरि अलिकति हामीलाई पीडा जस्तै गाह्रो भएको थियो हामीलाई।
Matina is now replaced by Kumari Trishna Shakya. In the last 2 months, Matina has been learning to engage with a regular life, making visits to the parks and around the city. Most importantly, she has started going to school by herself and has made friends.
She enjoys to come to school. She comes first and she enjoys the class. She also used to play here. She also interested in music. She wants to improve her language. She wants to improve her English. When she was in Kumari house, she never speaks English.
हैन अहिले चाहिँ उहाँलाई सबभन्दा इच्छा लाग्ने कुरा भनेको अब उहाँ चाहिँ धेरै नयाँ कुराहरू जान्न र त्यो देख्न चाहिँ उहाँ रुचाउनुहुन्छ अहिले। उहाँलाई अब धेरै कुराहरू उहाँलाई मनपर्छ हैन, त्यसै आइसक्रिम भयो, अब मोमो भयो।
Religious traditions are still a part of Matina's life. Last month, she had her Bail Bivaha, a ceremony in which pre-adolescent girls marry fruits like the oud apple as part of the local Newari tradition. Matina was shy to speak on camera, but from what her parents say, she seems to be having a smooth transition from the immortal Kumari to the mortal Matina.
कुमारी कल्चर भनेको चाहिँ नेपालकै एउटा पहिचान हो हैन, सबभन्दा महत्त्वपूर्ण हो। यसलाई चाहिँ सबैले चाहिँ यो हाम्रो पहिचान हो भनेर सबैले एकजुट भएर लाग्नुपर्छ भन्ने मलाई लाग्छ।